Thank you for stopping by and welcome to the channel. So we just landed in Fort Lauderdale and we'll be going to our hotel, which is the Doubletree by Hilton Hotel Sunrise Sawgrass Mill. 607. It's got a big bathroom, standard shower, bathtub. The room's big. Fridge, microwave, coffee machine. Put some stuff there. 2 double beds. TV. That's the view. View is, I don't know what that is. See in the morning. Air conditioning units there. Desk. Time's wrong though.
Again,
So you could see. It's a view from my room. Wonder if that's the arena. Is the home of the Florida Panthers hockey team, and it's not too far away from the shopping mall. Where the gym is, just to the right of where the all the rooms are. The pool's there, outdoor pool. And they got towels here. Little ones.
No,
That's
outside.
it?
No, but his hands outside.
Go like this.
Yeah.
Do they have the time or anything? No tags. No time? Oh, they got towels over there. Go where the hot tub is. Got a bar here. Oh, this hasn't been used in a while. I don't think this is a hot tub. I don't see a switch or anything. Pool's heated. The water's warm. To use the elevator. Main lobby. Different label. Here's the key app or free shuttle. Load in. We never used the shuttle service, we always walked to the shopping mall. Starts at 11. And you can use their computer. Starbucks. There's the restaurant they have. Starbucks. Well, we picked this hotel because it's right across the street from the shopping mall, so let's go. I think it's this way. And we'll try going this way today. No, we went the other way. See if this way's shorter. We found that if you go to your right, it's shorter than if you went to your left. But either way, you can go to the shopping mall. Depends how fast you walk, it's about a 10 to 15 minute walk. So you cross this busy street and you'll see there's a sign of the shopping mall and you can take a picture of yourself with it. It's already flashing. You wanna sit? Arby's here. Close to the hotel. So there's no sidewalk on the other side of the street, so we have to come on this side. So you keep walking straight past the parking garage, and then you'll see the entrance to the mall. The parking hides the mall when we look from our hotel. So this is the parking garage that I said you'll pass. You'll be on the other side of the street. You cross onto this side and then you walk straight to the entrance of the shopping mall. So we found this route shorter than making a left when you first come out of the hotel. It's half outside and half inside. Oh, look, she's getting all excited to go in the mall. You! Smiling. So we enjoyed our stay at the hotel. We found the rooms clean and comfortable. We liked that it was close to the shopping mall, and we would come back again if we ever come back to Fort Lauderdale. Got the card? Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, leave a comment, and hope to see you in our next video.